So I took a trade on a pound cat, and this was I took this trade actually a swing. It was going to be a swing trade for. I was going to hold it for a couple of days until it reached a certain area. My initial area for it to reach was, as you can see down here, where I put my red line, and I entered actually very. My entry was actually very poor. But I think I got in because no, I know I got in because I had FOMO. I kind of forgot where, but I know it was at the bottom of the trend, bottom of the range, and it is a range. If you can look at it on the 4 hour, you can see it is in kind of a range. And it is in the range of a range. If you look at the daily, it's kind of in the range of a range. But okay, in the 4 hour, you could see that besides this, it was doing the same thing again around here. And I believe I got in here around this area, here. Ah, yes, yes, I think there. Um, I think I got in there because looked at it on the 1 hour and I saw something like this is the uh, underside of the range kind of, but it wasn't. It went back up, and I held my stop loss around this area here. So I left it. That is 1 day, 2 days, and then the third day or night, uh, I would say, uh, it came down here, and I watched it on the lower time frame. I saw how it struggled, but something I think not on me, seeing how it didn't perform yet. I got irritated or whatever. I don't know. So when it was around break even, I got out. And then now, after I got out, you can see it started to perform. And it started to perform. My initial um, thought was to keep it a few days, but it was already Friday morning, Thursday midnight. So yeah, I got out. Uh, I was going to take it as I believe it was something like this. As this. No, I think it was more. Is it here? Not sure. Let's see. No, it's lower here. Yeah, about that size. Yeah, something like that. Uh, let's see here. No, it was a bit higher around here. Yep, that's more like it. Yes. So My entry was around here, price was here, and it finally got here up around break. It finally got beneath it on the lower time frame, and it came back to almost break even, and it just stuck right there. So looking at it right now, I can see it struggled, came down struggled, but there was a bit of a I had a little bit of fear that it would go up again suddenly and then linger again. It was already close. Maybe I should have just left it until uh, the end of Friday. But yeah, so I I didn't think it would make it to my take profit anymore, but I knew that some of the places that it might get stuck would be here and certainly here since this happened uh, with volume. So now I might gonna enter if it maybe pulls back to here or further up here would be great before it goes further down, which I'm hoping it will. Because just like yeah, it was also because I was doing the pound Aussie, and it felt like pound Aussie would go up, so that means that the pound would be strong. And if the pound would be strong, then means that, yeah. But in the end, the CAD became weak, probably, and the pound was strong. No, the CAD was stronger than the pound. That made that it went lower, probably. So yeah, I'm now that it's at this point right here, I'm not gonna trade it unless it gives me a pullback and hopefully good enough price to, to maybe uh, go down again. Um, we'll just have to see. Oops, expecting more price here. Checking the 4 hour money spot right here.